If you're a fan of Cassey Neistat, you may know that he has a business located in the lower Manhattan area. So that's why we are apartment hunting in the same area. This video is gonna give you some info on what apartments look like for their price range. Our price budget for this video is up to $3,000. So let's get started. This is gonna be our first location, which was posted freshly 40 minutes ago, and it is almost $3,000, $29.50 a month, 3-bed, 1-bath. All right, let's check this awesome place out. All right, so here would be like your kitchen area, kitchen and dining. All right, now we have the closet, possibly one of the bedrooms right here. Very nice. All right, so here would be possibly like the living area. And then we have very nice bathroom. Wow, all right, so this would be like the second bedroom, living and kitchen again. All right, the bed space. All right, very nice. Looks like the images are the same ones, possibly. At $3,000 a month, would you share with a buddy or two? Let us know in the comments as well. The next spot we're looking at is $2,800 a month. It's 1 bed, 1 bath, 900 square feet. And here we have the kitchen area. Very nice with great windows. Awesome stuff. So this is like the bedroom. Very nice, getting some different angles. Oh, that's nice. Great windows as well. All right, 1 bed and then back to the kitchen. All right, so looks like a pretty simple type of space, and this is for $2,800. Comment below if you currently live with a buddy or if you live by yourself. Next, we have this very nice one which was posted an hour ago. It is almost $2,900, 1 bed, 1 bath. Yes, we got some laundry right here. Always love in-unit laundry. All right, very nice space here. Okay, so we have a minimal kitchen space, nice bathroom. All right, we have this space as well. All right, and ooh, you got your own outdoor area. That is nice. All right, so this is Manhattan, so things are definitely going to be a bit smaller in comparison to other places within New York City. All right, so this is our next one at $2,000 a month. And let's see, 1 bed, 1 bath. Wow, over 2,700 square feet. That is awesome. Okay, so here's your layout. Here is one of the spots. One of these spots here as well. Looks like the kitchen area. Front entrance. Nice, okay. Oh, nice cabinets. Here we have the bedroom and your outdoor space. Looks like it gets a lot of shade from trees and things like that. That's awesome. Comment below if you are looking for a place in Lower Manhattan. Comment below where you want to see next, and we shall see you in the next video.